所以我哋係一個好超然嘅存在，以另一個 perspective 去睇緊呢個世界。靈界呢一個現實，呢一個就係我哋嘅成長過程，即係等於我拱你哋入去一個尋寶嘅園地，你對呢個園地嘅認識有幾多呢？去得分嘅。我哋經歷緊嘅共同信息，有機會呢，其實先至係我哋呢個 existence 當中最重要嘅嘢嚟，因為嗰個先至係叫做認識基督啊。
The compass and the key they hold, but most return with empty hands. The Freemasons ink a cryptic tale, a world unmasked behind the veil. Zion whispers through the leaves so low, secrets buried where the roots still grow. I've seen the design in the petals that fall, the echo of meaning in the garden's call, a shared message written in every line, in the light of Christ I am divine.
我哋同神嘅關係係與別不同，係差唔多對比全世界咧，同人唔同命嗰種。呢一個先至真正辛苦，可以喺佢哋存在呢個世間短短嘅生命氣息裏面咧，能夠 achieve 最高嘅 level， 就係認識神嘅 level。即係冇人經歷過一個咁嘅 journey， 咁嘅人生。但係呢種一定係辛苦同失落嗰種認識級數嚟。
Oh Zion, hear the skies declare, God's grace is written everywhere. Every breath a holy sign. This love eternal, this love divine, a love so vast it never fades. Each whisper carries a sacred weight.